Yeah. Hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we also talk about how to make money online, how to fish online, yeah, and how to do your business online, lifestyle and travel, yeah. So today I welcome all the new ones, the new subscribers to your fresh episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, so I've been getting a lot of offers from Nigeria, yeah, and I want to show most of the Nigerians how Iverson is very good. So if you want a dollar account to create your dollar arbitrage, I advise you to download everything from the link in my description. And if you download that this from my link, you will get offer free, you will get fees free, everything free for 3 months. So if you click on the link in my description, yeah, when you try to deposit money in your account, they will not charge you anything. They will not charge you anything. Yeah, they won't charge you anything. But if you download the app on your own, and when you are depositing money in your account, they will charge you money. They will charge you money. So first of all, download the app in my description, and let's start it. So when you open the app, this is how the app looks like. Yeah, this is how the app looks like. So first of all, you will add your Gmail. And adding the Gmail, you have to add a Gmail that you have access to, and a Gmail that is active. And a Gmail that is active. Don't just say, "Oh, I have some Gmail, so let me add Gmail." And when they send some code, you can't access to the your Gmail. Nah, use a current Gmail, a Gmail that you have access to, yeah, and a Gmail that you can log in and log out anytime you want. Yeah. So let's start. Let's start. So let me add my Gmail. So and then I'll click on continue. And you have to make sure that the Gmail you are adding is a Gmail that you haven't used before. Yeah. So when you add the Gmail, they will send you some verification code for you to verify your Gmail. Everything here you have to verify first because it's a real app and a money making app, and like they deals with money, so everything has to be what to be legit. Yeah. So you copy the code and you go straight to the app and you you paste the code. Then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, that means you are verified. You have verified your Gmail. So this where people make mistakes. At times people want to do arbitrage, they want to use Ghana currency, so they'll be like, "Oh, I'm Ghanaian, blah blah blah." Yo, bro, if you're Nigerian, say you're Nigerian, and when you go to the app, you can get many Ghanaians to do the arbitrage with. So just be genuine, just be yourself. Because when you say you're Ghanaian and you are doing the verification with Nigerian card, it will decline. They will not accept it. Yeah. So I will say I'm Nigerian. So that's how it is. So Nigeria. Yeah. So if I said Nigeria, that means I will have access to Naira accounts and other accounts. Yeah. So then I will enter my let me enter some random number. So I'll enter my phone number, then I'll click on continue. So they say the phone number click is not invalid. I don't know how many numbers that Nigerians use. I don't know. Let me see this. Aha, yeah. So this one worked. So I've entered the phone number. So I've entered the phone number. So the phone number too, they have to what verify it. They have to verify the phone number. Yeah. Here everything has to be verified because like they want to know that you're genuine. So you will be verifying the phone number. Is this okay or would you like to edit the number? So when you check the number and know that the number is it's not okay or it's incorrect, you click on edit, then it will take you back to there and you check the number that you miss like you didn't enter it well. Let me say let's say three, let's say six. Then you click on continue again. So then you click on okay. So they will send a code to that particular number. You see, they'll send a code to that particular number. So you have to enter the code here. And if you enter wrong code, they will tell you incorrect code. You see, they say invalid phone verification code provided. So you have to enter correct code before you can be asked from this thing. Let's say this page. Yeah. So after this page, they will ask you about your date of birth, your full name, your legal name, everything, and the name that you have to input have to be the name on your ID card. How your ID card, let's say your ID card name is the name on the ID card is let's say patience trauma patients, and you come here and do it patients trauma. It's different per people. You have to do it trauma patient. Don't do it patient trauma. So how the name is placed on your ID card, that's how you have to what place the number here. So so after doing that, then they will tell you to verify it. So verification, you need your ID card and your facial, that means your face. And the reason why a lot of people get their verification declined is this: when you're doing your verification, if you have a nose ring, remove it. If you have chain on your neck, remove it. If you're on glasses, remove it. And when you're doing your facial verification, don't do it indoors because they want to see and compare the facial to the ID card. So I advise you always to do your verification outside so that you will get enough sunlight. Yeah. So when you're also doing your card verification, make sure that you off your back camera light. Don't on your camera light because like, when you do it and it's flash, the light will place on the card and the card will not be visible, like will not be other visible. So you have to take this thing serious. Yeah. So after verification, this is how your screen will look like. They will give you two active wallets, that is Naira and dollars. So since this one's a Ghana account, you not see Naira because I didn't add Naira to it. So let's assume that you have a Naira account. So this all will be inactive. Yeah, this all will be inactive. The Kenya shillings, the Rwanda France, Rwanda we have added Cote d'Ivoire, that's safer to it, and Cameroon to it. Yeah. So I'll show you something. Yeah, you see, so right now, this you see Naira and what USD as active wallets. So when I go to my like this thing, you see only two currencies. You see only two currencies. You see, yeah. So if I want to add enough wallet to my active wallet, I'll click on it and I'll enter active, and it will what it will be active. So if I click on it and enter active, it will be active. Active to be active. So this is how it is. This is how it is. So you can do your exchange everything over here. You see, can do your exchange, enter the currency you want, and do your exchange over here. So it's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple and easy to use. Yeah, and if you want people on this platform to do the arbitrage with, you can get these people, and I'll show you in my next video how you can get people to do your arbitrage with. Yeah, so thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.